Hello students, we are going to discuss about integrity, work ethic, service learning and civic virtue. One by one we will discuss. First we are going to discuss about integrity. Integrity is doing the right thing when no one is watching. That is honesty. It yields the person peace of mind and hence add strength and consistency in character, decision and action. This is integrity. What is moral integrity? Moral integrity is nothing but it is virtue which reflects a consistency of one attitude, emotion and context in relation to justified moral values. What are the examples of integrity? Keep your promises even if it takes extra effort. Go back to a store and pay for something you forgot to pay for. Do not gossip or talking badly about someone. These are the examples of integrity. What famous person has integrity? Abraham Lincoln. People recognized his integrity and were soon asking him to act as judge or mediator in various contests, fight and arguments. Next one, work ethics. What is work ethics? It is defined set of attitude concerned with the value of work which forms the motivational orientation. What is good work ethics? It's being committed to your goal. Some of the qualities include responsibility, flexibility, honesty, cooperation and commitment. Objective of work ethics: economy, get job, create wealth, earn good salary, productivity, wealth and profit, safety, this is in workplace, working conditions, health and hygiene, privacy, right family, security, this is permanence against contractual pension and retirement benefit, cultural and social development, leisure, hobby and happiness, welfare, social work, environment, anti-pollution activities, eco-friendly, does not affect the environment, offer opportunities for all according to their ability but without discrimination. Examples of good work ethics. Good work ethics is providing a good quality of work for a fair wage that the worker can live on common benefit like holiday and sick pay, and the ability to join a union whilst having a contributionary say in our workplace, plus work stop and start at work, not on the way or at home. Next we are going to discuss about service learning. It is defined non-paid activity. Service is provided on voluntary basis to the public. Non-profitable institution and charitable organization. It is the service during learning. Examples of service learning in the industrial scenario: adoption, study and development of public health or welfare or safety system of a village or school is an example of service learning by the employee. Engineering student analyzing and executing socially relevant project is another example of service learning. Service learning is a methodology falling under the category of experimental education. Some of the few examples of service learning: tutoring other students and adults, conducting art, music, dance lessons for youth, giving presentation on violence and drug prevention, helping in a homeless shelter. Last one, civic virtue. Civic virtue is nothing but moral duties and rights as a citizen of the village or the country or an integral part of the society and environment. Individual may exhibit civic virtue by voting, volunteering and organizing welfare group and meetings. Modern example of civic virtue: Mother Teresa, Catholic sister, established missionaries of charity all over the world. She helped the poor, the abused and AIDS victims. Thank you for your attention.